How hungry are you?
I want to see myself.
How hungry are you?
Very hungry.
Yeah?
I'm very hungry.
What are you gonna eat first?
Tomato.
Tomato?
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yeah. And then after that, I don't know.
I'll take the donut with the chocolate.
How about Rosen? You fasting? Yeah?
Speak louder.
I broke my fast on like in the middle of the day.
Middle of the day? And you've been eating on the one side of your mouth, right? Yeah? How about Sina? Sina is going to break her fast. Sina la nyatisi somalisi khana furu adem tirar. Khana tim fura khana nago pesa ite khana furu adem. Malhon chipsi dafi ina baje chu. Gurban tkanisi khana tim fura jeti khana go pesa te chu kunis chipsi da kunis ina ba adira chu. Jollen oguni furtu وانا تفرتو وانا ددا يوم بيلوني نمو وانا ددا نتاج وانا ددا نيا ددا كبنمو بودغرو نيا چورانتان ديكا وات كورنو سي فرودا سي هياتا How many minutes left?
Today, yogurt with some dates at the time of iftar is something unique. Sometimes people who do not really have yogurt on a regular basis cannot wait for Ramadan to have that little yogurt and dip that piece of bread in it and have it. It's the blessing of Allah.